So now let's see how we can evaluate a model automatically. So this is a deeper type of evaluation, but on the left-hand side, you can go under assessment and deployment and find model evaluation. So as you can see, we have three kinds of evaluation. We have the automatic evaluation to evaluate a model against recommended metrics, and it's going to be fully automated as we've seen in the diagram in the previous lecture. But we also have humans. You can bring your own work team, and then humans are going to give you feedback and evaluate up to 2 models at a time. And then you can also get humans, but this time they can be an AWS managed work team. So different kind of evaluations, but I just want to show you the flow on how to create one, just so you can get a better idea. So let's go for automatic, and I'll call this one demo evaluation. We're not going to run one, we just want to look at the options. But we need to select a model. For example, let's evaluate Amazon Titan Text G1 Express. And next, we need to choose what is the type of the model evaluation task that we're going to evaluate against. So do we want to understand if it's good at general text generation, or if it's good at text summarization, or question and answer, or text classification? As you can see, you don't have any custom type of text type, just the ones that are built in. So let's say we want to evaluate for general text generation. And then what do we want to evaluate for? So some metrics. So for example, we can have a look at toxicity to see if the model will generate harmful, offensive, or inappropriate content. So here we need to choose a prompt data set to evaluate this metric. So you can either use an available built-in data set, and there's like the real toxicity prompts, or the bold one, which will give some challenges to the AI, and we can have a look at the result of this evaluation. Or we can use our own prompt data set, and again, it needs to be in Amazon S3. And then here we have more options because we can test against specific use cases of our business. So either option are fine based on what you're trying to do. And also you can have other metrics such as accuracy. So is it good about factual knowledge for the real world? And robustness. And again, for each of these tests, you have some available data sets, or you can build your own. Okay. And then where do you want to store the evaluation results? Again, in Amazon S3. To perform this, you need an IAM role, again, to write to your Amazon S3 bucket. This can be automated right here. And then you click on create, and it would actually do a model evaluation. Now, we don't do it because, well, this is going to cost us a lot of money because we're going to run GenAI prompts and then look at their outcome. So obviously there's a certain cost associated with it. But here we get some intention of how the model evaluation work. And you can explore on your own text summarization, question and answer, classification, and so on, where again, built-in data sets are provided for you, which is super nice. And we want to have humans. We can create a human-based evaluation. So by humans. And here the evaluation, all lowercase. And here we select again a model, so whichever you want. And then what is the task type? So you have the same as before, but also now you can create a custom task type. And this is for your team to use and to perform a specific task. Here again, you would have some metrics that can be suggested, or you can create your own metric if you want to. So you have a bit more control because now you have humans, and humans can do whatever you want. So again, you select this, you select a rating method. Do you want humans to evaluate based on thumb up or down, or to rate the answers on a 5-star method? And you can have multiple metrics if you wanted to. And on top of it, you can add another model to compare between 2 models if you wanted to, for example, these 2. So a lot more customization is available for human-based evaluation, but the idea remains the same. So that's it for FM evaluation. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.